caramel marshmallow cookie. In this video, I will show you how I made my own caramel sauce and marshmallow cream. It's easier to decorate with after you chill it. Soften your butter for your cookies. In a saucepan, add 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of water. You only want to mix once to combine well. Heat this over medium. Leave it to boil and watch it carefully so it doesn't burn. Once it starts to turn a golden amber color, remove from the heat. If you have a candy thermometer, it should be 250 F or 120 C. I think mine got a bit too dark. Slowly pour in 1/2 cup heavy cream. Room temperature is best. After that is combined, put in 3 tablespoons butter. Room temperature is best for the butter too. And 1/2 teaspoon vanilla and a pinch of salt. It had a slightly overcooked, almost burnt taste. So if you want to avoid that, don't let it get as dark as mine. Still delicious. Let that cool before you refrigerate. In a double boiler over medium-low, add 1/2 cup sugar. 2 egg white. I save the egg yolk for the cookies. Whisk the egg whites, cream of tartar, and sugar constantly until sugar is dissolved. Let a bit of this cool on a spoon. Feel it between your fingers. You don't want to feel any sugar granules, or temperature should be 160 F. Move straight to a stand mixer, or you can use a hand mixer with 1 teaspoon vanilla. On high speed, mix until stiff peaks form. I put mine in a piping bag and let it chill in the refrigerator. Now we can start our cookie dough. Cream together 1 cup softened butter and 1¼ cup sugar. Once that is creamed, add 1 whole egg and 1 egg yolk and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Mix that for a minute, then add your dry ingredients right into the same bowl. To add 1/2 cups flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix it all together. It should look like this. Roll into balls around golf ball size and flatten onto the pan. In a preheated 350 oven, bake for 8 to 10 minutes for softer cookie. Take them out at 8 minutes cool on the pan. It's easier to fill the caramel in between the marshmallow swirl because the caramel will start to run. These have to be stored in the refrigerator. They are much softer when you let them set outside the refrigerator before you eat them. I tried them as cookie sandwiches as well. Let me know if you try these or do them a different way. There is faster and probably just as good, if not better, ways to throw these together. Try pre-made caramel sauce, marshmallows, cream, or fluff, or pre-made cookie dough. Please like and subscribe.